Canadian, Cleveland, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Oklahoma, Hayden, Potawatomi. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a wind chill advisory, which is in effect until noon Central Standard Time Thursday. The blizzard warning has been canceled. Timing: dangerously cold through Thursday morning. Main impact: wind chill consistently between 5 and 15 below zero for an extended period of time through Thursday morning. Other impacts: areas of blowing snow tonight, patchy blowing snow Wednesday. Overnight lows capable of bursting pipes. Stay indoors as much as possible. Snow-packed roads and areas of blowing snow will make travel very difficult and hazardous. If you have to be outside, dress in layers and leave no skin exposed to the wind. Frostbite and life-threatening hypothermia can happen quickly. A wind chill advisory is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Grady and McLean. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a wind chill advisory, which is in effect until noon Central Standard Time Thursday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Timing: dangerously cold through Thursday morning. Main impact: wind chill consistently between 5 and 15 below zero for an extended period of time through Thursday morning. Other impacts: areas of blowing snow tonight, patchy blowing snow Wednesday. Overnight lows capable of bursting pipes. Stay indoors as much as possible. Snow-packed roads and areas of blowing snow will make travel very difficult and hazardous. If you have to be outside, dress in layers and leave no skin exposed to the wind. Frostbite and life-threatening hypothermia can happen quickly. You are listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are 4 p.m. weather observations. At Oklahoma City, blowing snow was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 10 degrees, the dew point 3, and the relative humidity 72%. The wind was north at 33 miles an hour, gusting to 43, producing a wind chill of -13. The pressure was 30.19 inches and rising. At Dinker Air Force Base, light snow was falling, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile. The temperature was 10. The wind was northwest at 29, gusting to 35, producing a wind chill of -11. Observations from around the region. At Dallas-Fort Worth, snow was falling, with a temperature of 21. At Lawton, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 15. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 8 at Amarillo, and -2 at Denver. At Tulsa, snow and blowing snow were reported, with a temperature of 12. At Wichita, snow and blowing snow were reported, with a temperature of 8. Once again at 4 p.m., at Oklahoma City, blowing snow was reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 10, and the wind chill was -13. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook covers northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorm outlook. Thunderstorms are not expected. Discussion: a strong winter storm will continue to move across the southern plains this afternoon. The chance of thunderstorms in the area has diminished, as the heavier snow shifts east of the area. Probability table, valid through 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday, February 2nd. Probability of thunderstorms occurring in the National Weather Service Norman County warning area, less than 5%. Other hazardous weather: snow will taper off this afternoon, but strong winds will continue to create blizzard or near blizzard conditions in many areas for the rest of the day. Dangerous cold will continue, with wind chills remaining well below zero in most areas through tonight. Please refer to the latest winter weather warnings and advisories for details. Days 2 through 7, Wednesday through Monday, thunderstorm outlook. Thunderstorms are not expected. Other hazardous weather: bitter cold conditions will persist into the latter part of the week. Please refer to the latest winter storm warnings and advisories for details. After a brief warmer period early this weekend, another Arctic front will arrive late Sunday, bringing another round of very low wind chill temperatures and a chance of wintry precipitation. The next scheduled hazardous weather outlook will be issued at 5 a.m. Wednesday.
At Oklahoma City, the sunset this evening occurs at 5:58 p.m., and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 7:29 a.m. today so far at Will Rogers World Airport. The high temperature has been 19. The low temperature has been 7. The total precipitation has been 0.15 inches.
Regional weather discussion. Reduced visibilities will continue throughout the rest of the afternoon hours across Oklahoma and western North Texas, although slightly improving. The snow continues to head from west to east with only light snow or snow flurries lingering across parts of north central and central Oklahoma. Strong winds will continue to gust 35 to 45 miles an hour the rest of this afternoon. Wind chills will remain in the 0 to -15 range, and blowing snow will continue to create visibilities of 1 mile or less in some locations. Travel conditions will remain extremely hazardous or impossible through tonight, and life-threatening conditions will exist for anyone who is exposed to the brutal cold. A wind chill warning has been issued for northern Oklahoma with a wind chill advisory across much of the rest of Oklahoma and western North Texas. The National Weather Service joins with all emergency response agencies in the area, urging everyone to avoid all travel unless absolutely necessary, and to avoid any prolonged exposure to the severe conditions. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area. Tonight, decreasing clouds, colder, areas of blowing snow, flurries, lows around 2 below, northwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour shifting to the north 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, patchy blowing snow, highs around 12, north winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, lows around 4 below. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Thursday, partly cloudy, highs around 20, light and variable winds. Thursday night, partly cloudy, not as cold, lows around 7, light and variable winds. Friday, sunny, not as cold, highs in the mid-30s. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy, not as cool, lows in the lower 20s. Highs in the upper 40s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with slight chance of rain and snow. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of precipitation 20%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with slight chance of rain. Highs in the mid-40s. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with slight chance of rain and snow. Lows in the lower 20s. Chance of precipitation 20%. Monday, mostly cloudy with chance of snow. Colder. Highs in the lower 30s. Chance of snow 30%. Monday night, partly cloudy. Scattered flurries. Lows around 15. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s.